I'm not saying it actually. Hey, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing about how to make friends in a foreign country. But before we dive in, I've been trying to like look for a name. I want to be calling my little mighty community. I don't know. I don't want to call anybody A besties because that's so cliche and everybody's using it. So I like asked ChatGPT to give me some list of options, and the options are not okay. First, I'm going to say some funny ones, and then I'm going to say like some really nice ones. The first one was Timmy Set. I don't like that one. What's that? Then there's like slay mates. What are we slaying? Dragons. Then there's bold babes. I have guys too, but would I be calling guys babes? I mean, I do call I call my boyfriend babe and my brother babe, but like, it doesn't make sense. But that's besides the point. Before that, there's one more that's funny. Terminators. That's tricky. Very tricky. Terminators. I mean, it's catchy. It's funny. I don't know yet, but I think the one I'm actually liking so far is hey pretty people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the video. Have you ever been surrounded by people but felt like you didn't belong? Moving to a new country is differently. The excitement, the silence, and now what? You go from knowing everyone to knowing no one. But here's a plot twist. Some of the most fun, random, and unforgettable moments I have had came from people I had never met before stepping off the plane. This is how I made friends in a foreign country, and how you might too. Stick around. Let's start with the truth. The beginning is awkward. Full stop. You overthink your eye, you worry if you sound weird, and you wonder if everyone already has their people. Spoiler, they don't. I mean, I started small and I'm really comfortable being alone, so it took me a while to like come out of that shell and talk to other people. Well, I said hi to people in class, I complimented their dresses, their jackets, their shoes, and I think I even laughed at someone's joke a little bit louder than usual. But it wasn't like an instant magic. Like, it's did not like open the door to friendship. It's just like talking to someone, then dropping on the bus home, and you're like back to your normal self. Right? But then again, every friend starts off as a stranger. If I had £1 for every time I almost skipped social events, I wouldn't be rich. I would have like missed a lot of good memories. I joined the marketing society, and I think that's made me meet people of different race and different background, and it was quite welcoming and very intriguing.
I'm studying fintech.
And I left with people like who became a regular part of my week, literally. The biggest tip is like just to show up. It doesn't matter if you're the quiet one or the talkative one.
Guys, I just finished my fourth ride. As you can see, my face is so wet. But I survived. I really enjoyed it. Really. So guys, we're up to our 5th ride of the day. I think last time got our coach links by 6. So I can go back to Where are we going back? Yeah, South Africa. Yeah, going to that. But I didn't think because it was shaking. He was going like. I almost fall from my.
You meet one person, they introduce you to another, and suddenly you are in someone's kitchen.
What's the name of this rice?
And yeah, you invited them to Pilates.
How was it?
And you guys are going shopping together. And just like talking about like the most random things. What matters is being there. Opportunities to connect come when you are like present. But some of my favorite connections did not just come from like deep conversations. They came from like tagging along. So say yes to that hangout. Even if you only know one person going, you never know who's on the other side of that invite. Something I've learned, you don't have to be more to make friends. You don't need to have the loudest voice or the funniest story. You just need to be you. And one thing that I did that made me was like me dressing up. I'd love to dress up to school, to events, to go downstairs to dispose the bin. Because I feel receiving compliments from someone is a way to start a conversation, and thing just kicks up from there. People connect with people, right? And like it's the dressing, the flaws, the awkward laughs, like the silent joke you share together, even if you don't know each other in the elevator. So whether you're the planner, the listener, or the one who just vibes, you bring something to the table. Now, making friends is one thing, and keeping them, that's like the real game. It's replying to that text, it's checking in after a tough day, sharing snacks during the lecture, which I'm very guilty of. And it's not always about the big plans. Sometimes it's just about being consistent. Looking back, it's the little things that like stand out. Laughing over group work that went off track, the late night chats about missing home, or the gossip about one classmate, or something like that, or just the ranting. It's a whole new kind of vibe, a whole new kind of connection. It's the impromptu, the photo shoots, the content creating, going outside to create content, and like the actual embarrassment and something you just laugh about. Now, not every person will actually be your bestie. I mean, you're in a foreign country and you need to actually tread carefully because you don't even know who you're talking to. Or you just need someone to always be by your side because you've been used to having people growing up with you back at home. So you just need someone to just be by your side. And some people like bring that side of you that makes you feel lighter, happier, and that like matters too. So if you're in a new place and friendship feels far away, know this, it takes time, but it is possible. Like start small, show up, say yes to good events, to good things, please. And don't underestimate the power of a simple, hey, mind if I join you? Hey, I love your jacket. Thank you. Then you like, I love your jacket too, I love your shirt too. Just reply, say something, have that conversation.
Bawoni. Bawoni. I am good. It's mo wa pa. Mo wa pa. No. Mo. Say mo. 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 Wa. Wa. Pa. You can open it mouth. Mo. Wa. I give up. What was the other one?
Making friends abroad isn't about fitting in perfectly. It's about finding people who you can be yourself around, even if it's just one or two. And I think that's just enough. That's like more than enough. And that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and if you feel making friends isn't worth it in a foreign country. If you're like, being alone is vibe, but trust me, it's not. And let me know if you have any friendship acts also, and maybe let's say downside in friendship. I'd like to hear that too. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and like and share. And I love you guys so much. Thanks for always showing up for me and commenting and doing all the necessary typing online. It really means a lot. It's what makes me come true and continue to post. So cheers to 300 subscribers. I'm going to make another video about that. I promise you guys. I just need some time for my to collect myself back.
£3, I get like.
Well, I think I'm actually drifting from the ending of this video. So yeah, see you guys till next time. Bye.